Okay? So, magandang araw. Okay? So, sa video na to, yung pag-uusapan natin is about non-homogeneous second-order linear differential equations. Okay? So, ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba, okay, ni non-homogeneous tsaka si homogeneous? Okay, pag sinabi nating homogeneous, okay, parang ganito. So, kapag homogeneous siya, kapag homogeneous, parang ganito yung forma. Yan. So, yan. So, kapag non-homogeneous, okay, so please take note, no? Dalawa yung forma. Okay? So, hindi siya equal to 0. Ganito yung forma niya. Pwedeng ganito. Pwedeng ganito. Yan. So, yan yung pagkakaiba ng homogeneous tsaka ng non-homogeneous. Okay. So, ano nga ba yung solution? So, what is the solution for non-homogeneous? Okay? So, kapag non-homogeneous ka, meron kang dalawang solution. Okay? So, y will be equal to yc plus yp. So, this will be your solution. Your yc is your homogeneous solution. Okay? So, first, okay? So, first is, kunin mo, i-assume siya na equal siya kay 0. For example, ito yung isosolve mo. So, i-assume mo muna na equal sa 0. Then, the next thing is, wag mo nang i-assume na equal siya kay 0. So, you get the yp. So, this is the particular solution. Okay? So, they were similar in solution in that you will get the homogeneous solution and then they will differ because you will add one more. Okay? So, in an homogeneous differential equation, you only get y is equal to yc. But for non-homogeneous second order linear differential equation, you also got the particular solution. Okay. So, we got one problem. Okay. So, let's try this. Okay, so let's try, okay, example number 1. Okay, so let's have example number 1. So let's try y double prime minus 10y is equal to x plus 5. Okay, so we are talking about the solution. Okay. Okay. So erase muna natin. So example, sabi natin example number 1. Lagay ko dito para malinaw. Okay, so, yan. So, ano una nating gawin? So, we get the YC. So, the YC here, so, first is we get the YC. So, ganun pa rin. Same with non-homogeneous, with homogeneous differential equation, we get the auxiliary equation. So, the auxiliary equation for here is r squared minus 10. Okay, y. This is no y bar here. So, it's 10 is equal to 0. Okay. So, we neglect first what is on the right side, which is x plus 5. So, we first is we get its non-homogeneous formula. Okay? So, then, yung gawin natin, okay? So, the next thing we do, as always, we factor it. So, r squared is equal to 10. So, r here is positive and negative square root of 10. So, the solution, because this has two distinct roots, is equal to y. Okay, we are talking yc here. The yc here is c sub 1 e to the power of r sub 1 x plus c sub 2 e to the power of r sub 2x. So, your yc is equal to c sub 1 e square root of 10x plus c sub 2 negative square root of 10x. So, that is your homogeneous solution. Okay? So, we are not yet done. So, the next thing we should do is to a particular solution. Okay. Okay. So, this problem, example number 1 is specifically it is a polynomial. Okay, so this is a polynomial solution. Okay, for polynomials, okay, what we do is assume. For polynomials, so we assume undetermined coefficients. So ano tong undetermined coefficients natin? So we take a look upon the equation. So we have r squared minus 10. Okay? So we got r squared minus 10. So what shall we, now, here, y double prime minus 10y is equal to x plus 5. So, the lowest differential here is 0, y to the 0. So, by looking upon the right side, x plus 5. So, this is polynomial. That's what I said, polynomial. Because x to the power of 1 or x plus 5. Okay? So, what we should do is to assume. Okay? So, let y is equal to, okay, ano yung pinaka ax plus b. Okay? So, because this is in the form of ax plus b. As you can see. And then we determine, okay, this is in the form of ax plus b. So, the next step we should do is to replace this one. Okay? Y double prime minus 10y is equal to x plus 5. So, we replace directly into the whole solution. So maybe we need another. Okay, so, this is our particular solution. Our original problem. So, we replace let y is equal to ax plus b here. So, y is ax plus b. So, therefore, y single prime is a. And then, y double prime is 0 because a here is constant. A and b are constant. Okay, so that's why. So, here we replace. So, y double prime 0 is 0 minus 10 times ax plus b is equal to x plus 5. Okay, so we determine that negative 10a here is 1 because the coefficient, okay, so as you can see, the coefficient of okay, plus 5, this is plus 5, the coefficient of x, okay, negative 10a, x is 1. And then the coefficient of constants here is negative 10b is equal to 5. So, therefore, we get a is negative 1/10 and b is 5 divided negative 10 is negative 1/2. So therefore, your particular solution is equal to negative 1/10. Okay, so this we are talking about particular solution also here. So therefore, yp is negative 1/10 minus 1/2. Okay, so rather negative 1/10 x minus 1/2. Okay, so that's how we get it. Okay, so let's bring it here. Since we get the yp, the solution will be y. Okay, so I will just put it here. Y is equal to yc plus yp. So therefore, your solution for this problem will be y is equal to c1 e to the square root of 10x plus c2 e to the power of negative square root of 10x minus 1/10x minus 1/2. Okay, so this will be your solution. Okay, so that will be our first example. Okay, so that is minus 1/2. Okay, so as you can see, yan yung solution natin. Hindi kasi nakita kasi natabunan ng isa. Okay, since this is a video, pwede nyo namang ulitin. Okay, doon sa portion na hindi nyo masyadong naintindihan. Okay, so that is our first example for non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so hanggang dito lang muna tayo. And then we will have more examples in the next videos.